Hey friends, if you cannot find the Microsoft Store app in Windows, then please watch this video. So this happens often and people get confused because how would you install the Microsoft Store when there is no Microsoft Store? So I'll tell you something. Actually, people have a habit to click on Microsoft Store in the taskbar because it's already available here. But let's say that it was unpinned and you cannot see it, then what would you do? Simple. Search for the Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and then open it. First confirm this before doing anything else. If you don't find it here, then run the command. This command reinstalls the Microsoft Store from the repository. So copy it and then search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane and then paste it here and then hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.